Good day, sir. I am Ken Mark Terrell from Manokan, BSN 1 Section Baker, and these are the vision and the mission. Vision. We envision ourselves to the leading Catholic educational institution forming holistic person through globalized academic programs that services for nation building. Mission. We commit ourselves to number 1, expose Catholic education that fosters exclusivity and innovation for the total formation of the person. Number 2, embrace global standards of leadership in governance, instruction, research, and community extension that transforms the persons and the society. And the last number 3, engineer a contextualized curriculum that is on the par with international standards and world-class services that enable globally immersed and empowered students. That's all. Thank you.